this is the last episode before the grand finale. So, kailangan grand na din yung gagawin natin, no? So, for this week, ang gagawin natin ay contemporary again. I know, nakatrabaho ko na si Denise sa contemporary at nagkaroon kami ng medal. So, dapat. Yan. And Paul, this is your first time doing contemporary. Ayan. Yung pyesa natin, very emotional. So, dadaanin ulit natin sa puso yung routine natin this week.
Puso.
Also, there's one more thing na special for this week. And yun ay C. Drum roll. Ang dance star from season 1 na si Kakay.
Yes! Wow! Ready na!
Yan. So, is this your first time contemporary sa season 1? Nag-contempt ka?
Nag-contemporary po ako, pero hindi po siya like all throughout kasi since may challenge.
Yeah, ayun.
So, I'm very excited, Coach.
So, this episode, tatry natin yung contemporary. But also, one of the challenges, tatlo kayong sasayaw.
True.
So, tingnan natin kung ano magagawa natin.
Yes.
Excited na kayo?
Yes.
Let's start. Start tayo sa choreo ng chorus. Sige, find your space. Ready? So, we start with... We started with your right leg open. 1. Tapos babawi tayo ng end. Tapos left leg to the back. 2. Tapos down 3. Right 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Down 3. Tapos we turn on 4. Turn with your right leg. Tapos left leg nakapase. 4. Point your toes. Tapos from here, we go 5. Make sure flat back siya. Tapos point your right leg. 5. Tapos para tayong lilipad. And 6. Yeah. And then 7. Passe. Point your toes. Yan. Yan muna. Ready. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3. Turn 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Very good.
Yeah.
Unang turo lang, alam, perfect na agad.
Mahirap siya and sobrang ano talaga ng technique and mga floor works. Yun yung challenging. Kasi kailangan maka-up ka agad,
Makadaan ka agad.
daan ka agad yung travel mo. And syempre yung steps.
Yes.
Kailangan nandun din. And yung syempre point your toe. Hindi mawawala. So
And-
challenging
yeah.
talaga.
Sa tingin ko rin po yung nakita kong kulang namin is yung timing and yung connection.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero, kasi guys, yun lang oh.
Parang kumbaga 2 days lang to. Pero ang ganda. Maganda talaga
Yes,
siya.
pero parang it's very emotional and it's parang maraming tao yung makaka-relate.
Thank you, Coach Shad, sa magandang
Vision.
Thank you.
And
Yeah.
ano siya, basta nasa emotions kapag mo, doon kami lalo magpo-connect. And sarap sa'yo sumayaw ng contemporary. Masakit lang sa likod.
Kaya nga guys,
Ang dami ng mga pasapasa.
true.
Siguro sa team namin ni Denise, kasi medyo yung mga nagagawa namin style ni Denise, it's about fun, love story kind of type, tapos mga hataw, fem. So I think ito yung first and last siguro namin na magagawang medyo emotional bago mag-finals. So, ang sarap din pagdaanan.
It's a good
And,
break sa inyong
oo.
dalawa.
And siyempre si Kakay kasama namin, so medyo ano talaga, memorable and it's an honor na magawa tong piece na ganito kasi first time na tatlo eh.
Yeah.
So medyo ibang challenge din siya in terms of connection siyempre. Pero alam ko magagawa namin yan. Mas maganda pa kaysa sa nire-rehearse namin.
On the floor.